if you're interested in creating Zoom meetings for your class, all you need to do is log into your class and click into it. Click on the Confer Zoom link, and then click Schedule. And this menu on the left-hand side gives you an opportunity to schedule your meeting however you want. So if I wanted to create weekly meetings on Mondays from 7:30 p.m., I wanted them to last for 30 minutes, starting on Monday the 16th. One thing you have to be careful about today is Thursday. So Thursday is automatically linked. So I just have to click on it to unlink it. And now I have Monday night meetings that meet from 7:30 to 8 p.m. The invitation will go specifically, or the access will go specifically to my pre-calculus class. It will start on Monday, March 16th, and I can set an end date for it. Let's see here, the last week of the semester is there. And then I can click Save. And you have the opportunity to make meetings that go any number of days, any amount of time that you want. And then when I'm ready, when the meeting is getting ready to start, this Prepare button will change to Host. And you can just click on Host, and it will send you through, I think it asks you to open a link, and then it takes over the camera on your computer from there.